Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're diving into 20 incredible tools from Wolfcraft that are sure to blow your mind. Known for their precision, innovation, and smart design, these tools are a must-see for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Master 650 Ergo. The Wolfcraft Master 650 Ergo is a height-adjustable, tilting clamping table designed for ergonomic and flexible work. It adjusts from 780 to 950 millimeters, with a tabletop that tilts up to 65 degrees. The expandable MDF surface supports larger workpieces, while included plastic jaws and pipe clamps offer versatile clamping options. Despite its 120 kilogram load capacity, it weighs only 13.1 kilograms and folds quickly for easy transport and storage. Wolfcraft Rasp. The Wolfcraft Rasp is a rotary rasp designed for efficient material removal and shaping in wood. It is compatible with cordless screwdrivers and features a hexagonal shank, allowing for quick and easy tool changes in standard bit holders. Ideal for preparing recesses and performing fast material removal, it provides clean and controlled results during woodworking tasks. This makes it a practical and user-friendly accessory for DIYers and professionals alike working with wood. Undercover Jig Set. Undercover Jig Set is a comprehensive toolkit designed for creating concealed screw joints in wood. It includes everything needed for accurate and clean pocket hole drilling, making it ideal for corner, T-butt, and edge-to-edge connections. The jig features an adjustable stop and built-in ruler for easy setup with standard board thicknesses starting from 12 millimeters. With a step drill, depth stop, and a Torx 20 screwdriver blade included, the set allows for precise drilling and strong fastening. Fixoflex Sanding Pads. The Wolfcraft Fixoflex sanding pads are high-quality, European-made sanding tools designed for precision and adaptability in a wide range of applications. They feature a unique adjustable axle that allows you to change the sanding pad's firmness from flexible to rigid, making it suitable for both contoured and flat surfaces. This flexibility ensures optimal control and finish quality, whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic. Transport System TS850. The Wolfcraft Transport System TS850 is a robust and practical solution for moving heavy or bulky items with ease. It features a retractable handle with a central locking button and a quick folding mechanism, allowing for compact, space-saving storage when not in use. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, its large profile wheels handle stairs and uneven surfaces effortlessly. Impact Bit Set. The Wolfcraft Impact Bit Set is a durable and reliable solution for demanding screw connections, especially when using impact mode. It includes 6 Torx bits designed to handle high torque and tough materials, along with a magnetic bit holder for secure and efficient bit changes. Each bit features a 1/4 inch hexagon drive and is marked with green-colored rings for quick identification. Diamond Cutting Disc. The Wolfcraft Diamond Cutting Disc. Project Ceramic is a high-performance disc designed for use with angle grinders, ideal for cutting hard materials like granite, fine stoneware, and ceramic tiles. Engineered for fine, fast, and effortless cuts, it features a super-thin 1.6 millimeter profile and a sintered, closed cutting edge for precision work with minimal chipping. Drill-Jig. The Wolfcraft Electric Drill-Jig is a precision tool designed for fast and accurate installation of electrical boxes and inserts in both masonry and drywall. With clearly marked 71 millimeters and 91 millimeters distances, it ensures correct spacing between sockets, network ports, and TV outlets. An integrated millimeter scale helps measure installation distances from edges, while the 90-degree rotatable spirit level guarantees accurate horizontal and vertical alignment. Adjustable Hole Saw. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw is a versatile cutting tool designed for precise and clean hole cutting in drywall materials such as OSB, plasterboard, and softwood. It features an infinitely adjustable mechanism that operates in 3 simple steps. Loosen, adjust synchronously, and fasten, allowing for quick and accurate size changes. Countersink Deburring Drill Bit Set. The Wolfcraft Countersink Deburring Drill Bit Set is designed for clean, accurate screw preparation in wood, plastic, and non-ferrous metals. Ideal for both flush and deep countersinking, it allows screw heads to be placed below the surface for a neat finish. It features a sharp centering tip for precise positioning and a cross hole with a groove that ensures efficient chip removal while drilling. Versatile Pocket-Sized Multitool. The Wolfcraft Versatile Pocket-Sized Multitool is a compact and durable 13-in-1 tool designed for everyday use, outdoor adventures, and DIY tasks. Its foldable design includes essential functions like needle nose and combination pliers, wire cutter, knife blade, piercing awl, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, saw, double-sided file, can and bottle openers, and a hook blade. Bevel and Miter Box. The Wolfcraft Bevel and Miter Box is a practical tool for accurately measuring and transferring angles when sawing miters, especially for baseboards and trim work. It allows you to trace angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees and automatically calculates the correct miter angle, eliminating errors during transfer. With integrated guide pins for a handsaw, it ensures precise, clean cuts directly on the workpiece. Precision Jigsaw Cutting Table. The Wolfcraft Precision Jigsaw Cutting Table is the perfect accessory for achieving accurate and clean jigsaw cuts. It provides a clear view of the cutting line and includes a parallel stop for precise, straight cuts. By allowing you to cut from the underside of the material, it helps reduce splintering on the visible surface for a cleaner finish. Ring Magnet Extra Long Bit Holder. Extra Long Bit Holder is designed for reaching hard-to-access screw connections with ease. Its extra long shaft provides extended reach, making it ideal for tight or recessed spaces. Featuring a 1/4-inch hexagon drive, it ensures a secure and stable fit in any standard drill chuck. The integrated magnetic bit socket with a strong ring magnet firmly holds screws in place, allowing for precise and hassle-free fastening in any position. Worktable Clamp. The Wolfcraft Worktable Clamp offers powerful and convenient one-handed operation, delivering up to 90 kilograms of clamping pressure for secure hold on your workpieces. Its ergonomically shaped handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip during use. The clamp can be quickly and effortlessly converted into a spreading function, making it versatile for a range of tasks, from securing materials to gently pushing components apart. Sawhorse SB 60. The Wolfcraft Sawhorse SB 60 is ideal for safely and quickly sawing 1-meter logs for firewood. It includes ejection protection, chain-friendly wooden boards, and a built-in scale for accurate 25 and 33 centimeter cuts. Its quick folding design ensures easy setup, portability, and compact storage. Built for durability, it's a reliable choice for both home and professional use. Machine Vise. The Wolfcraft Machine Vise is a robust and reliable tool for securely holding workpieces, especially round material, thanks to its horizontal and vertical V-groove steel jaws. Made from durable cast iron, it offers a clamping width of 80 millimeters and a jaw width of 85 millimeters, providing a firm grip during precision work. Trapezoidal Blade Knife. Trapezoidal blade knife is a heavy-duty cutting tool built for professional use. It features a robust die-cast zinc housing for durability and maximum power transfer, along with an extra sharp PRO sharp blade for superior cutting performance on film, carpet, cardboard, wood, and plastic. Designed for safety and comfort, it includes an automatic blade retraction system and a central blade slider for ambidextrous use. Cylinder Drill for Wood. The Wolfcraft Cylinder Drill for Wood is designed for precise and efficient drilling in wood. It features a center point for accurate positioning and a precision ground main blade that ensures clean cuts. Ideal for both through holes and depth-limited holes, it enables fast drilling progress with smooth, splinter-free results. Perfect for woodworking tasks that demand accuracy and quality. Tile Cutter. The Wolfcraft Tile Cutter is a compact and sturdy tool designed for precise and efficient tile cutting. Built on a stable wooden base, it features C-section rails with dual triple ball bearings for smooth, accurate scoring and integrated metal cones to make tile breaking easy. With a cutting length of 610 millimeters and compatibility for tiles 3 to 10 millimeters thick, it's ideal for most tile jobs. That wraps up our look at 20 amazing Wolfcraft tools that bring efficiency and creativity to any project. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Chop Busters.